Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restore WhatsApp messages on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, we have to back up our WhatsApp data. Now to do that, just open WhatsApp, then tap on the three dots and go to settings. Now just tap on chats, then tap on chat backup. Now just tap on Google account and select the Google account where you want to back up your WhatsApp chats. Just like that. Now just tap on automatic backup and select when you want to back up your data. You can select daily, weekly, monthly, or when you tap backup. I will select weekly and you can select any of these options. Now if you want to back up your videos too, just enable this option. And if you want to back up using your cellular data, just enable this option. Now once you do that, then tap on backup to back up your data. Now, as you can see, we have backed up our data, and as you can see, the last backup time is 4:46 p.m. For an example, we have deleted our WhatsApp chats. Now, to back up the data, just delete WhatsApp, then go to Play Store, and in the search bar, just search WhatsApp. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. Now, just select your language, then tap on the arrow icon. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now just enter your phone number. Now once you enter your phone number, just tap on Next, tap on Continue. Now I will select Not Now, select Continue, and give this app this permission. Now as you can see, it is looking for backups. Now as you can see, it has found our backed up data on our Google account. Now as you can see, it is giving you the option to restore your chats. Just select Restore. Now it will take some time to restore your chats. Now after that, tap on Next. Now as you can see, we have successfully restored our WhatsApp messages on our Android phone. And this is how you can restore WhatsApp messages on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.